Welcome to the Grundfos Jet Pump Video Installation Guide. Today, we'll show you the simple steps needed to install the Grundfos Jet Pump to a domestic rainwater tank for the purpose of home irrigation. Before you begin the installation, ensure you have read the installation and operation guides that came with the pump. You should also check any local regulations that may apply before installing your pump. Next, ensure you have the right tools for the job. Some thread sealing tape, also known as plumber's or Teflon tape, a plumber's wrench, screwdriver, and depending on existing fittings, you may need a shifter. Ensure there is an isolation valve fitted to the water source outlet. It's also a good idea to fit one to the discharge of the pump. This will help you if you ever need to service your pump in the future. Grundfos recommends a covered installation for the jet pump to protect it from the harsh Australian weather conditions. Select a site near to an outdoor weather-rated power point and make sure there is a firm, flat surface on which to mount the pump, like a concrete pad or pump cover base. For added security, the pump can be secured to the base. However, in most installations, this is not necessary. Grundfos recommends using flexible pipework from the water source to the pump and from the pump to the house or application wherever possible. Where practical, install the pump as close to the water source as possible. Pre-checks complete, you're now ready to install the pump. Step 1. Install the pipework. Apply sealing tape to the thread of the inlet connection. This goes on in the same direction as you would screw on a fitting. Then, connect the flexible piping from the water source to the pump and tighten. Apply sealing tape and connect the outlet pipework to the pump and tighten. Step 2. Priming the pump. Once all the flexible piping is in place, you're ready to prime the pump. If the pump is attached to a water source which is below the level of the pump, open the priming cap with a screwdriver and pour in clean water until water begins to exit the priming plug. If the pump is attached to a water source which is above the level of the pump, simply open the isolation valve on the water source to fill the pump with water. Replace the priming cap and tighten. Step 3. Start up. Firstly, open both the inlet and outlet isolation valves. Then, plug the pump into a power outlet and switch it on. Finally, turn on the furthest and highest connected tap to bleed air out of the pipework. Now you're ready to enjoy your Grundfos jet pump for many years to come.